Ted Streuli with the Journal Record joins us with more on the stories making news in business this week. Ted, while legislators consider reducing or eliminating the state's personal income tax, questions are being raised about the impact on public safety. How serious are those concerns?
Well, the concern is about how much cash there's going to be available to spend. We just got a study back from the federal government that looked at Oklahoma's prison population and the trends there that suggests that it could increase 9% over the next decade or so, and accommodating that would cost the state about $249 million. So there's a proposal that would mitigate that. It cost $110 million to put the proposal into place and would cause the prison population over that time to only rise by 2% while reducing crime. The question, though, is do we have the $13 million a year, essentially, it will cost to implement that plan?
A state lawmaker has filed legislation to change the health care plans available to state employees. What's behind that proposal and how would it affect state workers?
Well, Senator Burkeen filed this proposal, which early suggestions are it's not getting a lot of traction, but he would have us copy Indiana's plan where state employees, rather than paying their health insurance as we essentially do now, they would get the cash to put into a health savings account. We have those available in Oklahoma, but enrollment is low. Even the senator has said he doesn't think this will get very far this year. He just wants to keep the conversation on health care open.
A proposal to build a tribal casino in Broken Arrow continues to stir controversy. What's the latest?
Well, it's a sect of the Muskogee Creek Nation that's trying to build a casino right there by Tulsa Community College in Broken Arrow, and or the Tech Center, and they haven't divulged all their plans for the building, but it's on Indian land. So the city has said they're required to provide water, but they will not provide any sewer or fire service until the tribe discloses all their plans and they have a better idea what the impact on the surrounding community might be.
Ted, there's been a major bump in the number of saltwater disposal wells in the state. What's behind the increase?
Well, there's a lot more gas production going on through fracking, and the salt comes back with the water that's used for the fracking process. And in one quarter, from July to September, they saw about an 82% increase in the salt water that needed to be disposed of through these disposal wells. Those disposal wells inject that salt water deep in the ground where there is already salty water. But the problem is you've gone from 24 million barrels at a time to 44 million barrels at a time, so they're going to need some more capacity.
Ted Streuli, managing editor of the Journal Record, thanks for being with us.
My pleasure.